I welcome to Echo and Vision, where inspiration meets action. Majin unlocking a vault. Inside lies your creativity. But what keeps it locked? Your mindset. Today, we'll explore how changing your perspective can unleash your creative potential. Creativity often feels out of reach. Many believe it's innate. But research shows mindset plays a crucial role. A fixed mindset limits us. It convinces us that skills can be developed. Alternatively, a growth mindset opens doors. It embraces learning and resilience. Let's delve into practical steps. Begin by acknowledging your fixed thoughts. Notice when you tell yourself, "I can't." Reframe these thoughts. Replace them with, "I can learn." This small shift sparks curiosity. Next, cultivate an environment that fosters creativity. Surround yourself with inspiring people and experiences. Engage in discussions that challenge your views. This diversity nurtures creative thinking. Now, practice brainstorming regularly. Set aside time each week. Write down any ideas, no matter how silly. This process trains your mind to think outside the box. Finally, give yourself permission to fail. Remember, every great idea starts as a rough draft. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities, not setbacks. Let's consider an example. Think of Thomas Edison. He faced thousands of failures. Each one was a step closer to success. His growth mindset led to groundbreaking inventions. In summary, shifting your mindset is key to creativity. Acknowledge fixed thoughts, create an inspiring environment, brainstorm regularly, and embrace failure. These steps will ignite your creative potential. Ready to unlock your creativity? Start your mindset shift today. Join a workshop, read a new book, or engage with others. Your creative journey begins now. This is your sign. That idea you've been doubting? That dream you've postponed? The world needs it. Stop waiting. Start echoing a vision that pulls you forward, not holds you back. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because next week, we're diving into how to silence self-doubt forever. Until then, keep echoing greatness. See you in the comments. This is your sign. That idea you've been doubting? That dream you've postponed? The world needs it. Stop waiting. Start echoing a vision that pulls you forward, not holds you back.